Yo, what's up guys? Welcome back to the channel, and today I'm going to show you how to access personalized financial tips from Cleo. Do you want to level up your money game with advice that actually applies to you? Cleo provides personalized financial tips based on your spending, saving, budgeting habits. Here's how to access them. Step 1. Open the Cleo app and navigate to the Insights or Tips section. This section gathers advice tailored to your finances. You might also get suggestions directly in the chatbot. Step 2. Review your recent spending activities. Cleo analyzes your behavior, like your overspending, late night purchases, or even your subscription habits, and based on its tip, and it bases its tip on exactly what it sees. Now, this makes it a lot more tailored to you based on your own specific habits. Step 3. Enable push notifications for advice. Now, to stay in the loop, you want to turn on app notifications. Cleo will send regular financial nudges to keep you on track. Step 4. Ask Cleo for help through chat. You can type things like "help me save" or any advice, and Cleo will reply with quick, practical suggestions based on your goals and your habits. Step 5. Follow through an actionable tip. Tips might include setting new savings goals, unsubscribing from unused services, or just adjusting your budget. You want to make sure that you apply them directly for real results. With Cleo, you're not just getting cookie cutter advice. It's financial coaching made specifically for you, available 24/7 and ready to help. That's pretty much it on the video, guys. Hope you liked it. Hope you found the information here useful enough. If you did, like the video, comment down below, let me know what you thought. Share the video with your friends and subscribe to the channel if you haven't done so already, and we'll see you in the next one.